Cruiseman's not really used to trains.
Welcome to Milan, Italy, and EICMA 2023. This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Maintenance Video Series and Showchrome.
Okay, I'm leaving EICMA 2023 a little bit early. It's the first time I've gone back on my own. It's raining here in Milan today. I hope to hell I can find the right train to get me back to where I get to get off to get to the hotel. Wish me luck. Now we're in the train station, the underground. Now I got to find the right train to get on. I actually have a couple of different choices. I could take the M1 metro train, and I could take the M3, and that takes me back to the central station, and it's only a couple of blocks from the hotel. But it requires changing trains. And there's another option, the S5 or S6 train, supposedly, goes to a stop close to the hotel, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 blocks from the hotel. And that's the one I'm going to try to take if I can find it. That's the one we took last night. This tells me that the S5 and S6 train are this direction, so that's the way I'm going to keep going. My problem is right now it says my train leaves for platform 2. The platform 2 is closed. I've got it blocked off. I can't get to it. So I looked on the other side of the station and the stairs are also blocked off to platform 2. Still says, I'm seeing some information up here about cancellations. So maybe the trains have been canceled. Okay, I may have to go back and take the M1. Of course, the only platform that's closed is the one that I need to get to my train. Apparently the train's been canceled, I guess. I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to head back to the M1. Thank you, Keith, for letting me know that I could optionally take the M1. I'm on my own now. Here's the M1. We're going to go down to the Duomo, and then we pick up the M3, and the M3 will take us up to Centrale. Okay, so I made it onto the M1 train, which is supposed to take me to the Duomo. I wasn't sure when I got on, but there were 2 security guards. I asked them if it goes to Duomo, and they said it does. So I'll end up at least at the Duomo if I can see the correct stop to get off. And then I'll try to switch over to the M3 train, and we'll hopefully get to Repubblica or Centrale. Okay, so we made it to Duomo. Now I've got to get to M3. Looks like everybody else is going to M3 too.
sustain. Please hold on to the handrails.
Now that I'm at Centrale at the Central Station, I think I can figure out how to get back to the hotel. I just go out the main exit, turn right. It's a couple of blocks. But for some reason, every card I scanned, every ticket I scanned here did not work. I tried even a brand new ticket and it would not scan it. So I'm just going to go ahead and try using a credit card. I think it might take a credit card. Now I got to find my way to the main entrance. This is a huge train terminal. Restaurants, McDonald's, Five Guys, pizza places, as you can see. Looks pretty damn good, actually. Shopping center, it's like a huge mall. This looks promising. I'm seeing the old architecture. Kind of an incline walking sidewalk. I've never seen one of these. You can see this is a really beautiful old train station.
That's so you were always able to.
Look at the scale of this thing. It's just massive. Really beautiful. This is the main entrance right here. And so you can see it's dark now. So it's also raining, but I don't think I need an umbrella. I think the streets are just wet. The Hilton is just a couple of blocks to the right up here. I go to the right when I get to this street. And it's just a block or two away. Pretty quick. Walking back to the hotel. Yeah. Cruiseman's not really used to trains. We don't have that many trains in Texas. At least not metro type trains where you have to go around town on a train or a subway. So this is a new experience, you know. I'm always willing to try something new. I usually come back with the group and they all know what they're doing. Keith is from New York City. He knows all about subways and trains. He's the one that actually told me if I couldn't get on the S train to do the M1 to M3, and I was able to figure it out. Thankfully, they have good signs. And so, see how long it takes me to get back to the hotel. Thankfully, it's not raining very hard right now. They do have pretty nice crosswalks here. And they usually tell you when you can walk. This one doesn't. But usually they do. And I believe, you might not be able to see it on video, but I believe the Hilton logo is about to come into sight up ahead. So I still have a block or so to go. And there's quite a bit of foot traffic out tonight. On a Thursday night here in Milan, Italy. And I will have more from EICMA 2023 coming up tomorrow. And here's the Hilton right here. End of the line for me tonight. I think maybe Ricky and I will try to have a little dinner, maybe a drink, a little cocktail, and we will call it the day. And we're home.